Mastering ServiceNow. Streamlined Workflows. ServiceNow automates and optimizes workflows, reducing manual tasks and increasing efficiency. This allows teams to focus on more strategic activities and improves overall productivity. Improved collaboration. The platform facilitates better communication and collaboration among teams. With integrated tools and shared data, team members can work together more effectively, leading to better outcomes. Enhanced visibility. ServiceNow provides real-time insights and analytics, helping organizations make informed decisions. Dashboards and reports offer a clear view of performance metrics and key indicators. Scalability. The platform can scale with your business, accommodating growth and changing needs. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, ServiceNow can adapt to your requirements. Integration capabilities. ServiceNow integrates with various third-party applications, ensuring seamless operations. This allows for a unified approach to managing different systems and processes. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, reducing the learning curve for employees. A user-friendly interface ensures that users can quickly navigate and utilize the platform's features. Cost savings. By automating processes and improving efficiency, ServiceNow can help organizations save on operational costs. Reduced manual work and streamlined operations lead to significant cost reductions. Security. ServiceNow offers robust security features to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with industry standards. This includes data encryption, access controls, and regular security updates. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. SRG Global Technologies. We can help you succeed.